In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build SaaS forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and signing into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well. You will use Claude to help generate the structure of the form, and then you will review and refine it inside Jotform. Before creating the form, decide on the goal of your SaaS form. Be clear about what information you want to collect. This could include user onboarding details, subscription preferences, feature requests, account setup information, or other product-related responses. Having a clear goal will make the form more useful and easier to organize. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a SaaS form directly in my Jotform account, with structured sections for user details, account setup, plan selection, and preferences. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After Claude generates the form, go back to Jotform and locate the new form in your account. Open it and review the full structure carefully. Make sure the sections are arranged in a way that fits your workflow and the experience you want users to have. If needed, add more SaaS-specific fields to make the form more complete. You can include fields such as company name, job role, subscription plan, expected usage needs, and feature preferences. These details can help you collect more relevant information from users and make the form better suited to your business process. Once the fields are in place, organize the form in a logical order. A common structure is to start with basic user information, then move into account setup, followed by plan selection, and finish with preferences. This makes the form easier to follow and improves the overall user experience. After that, customize the form by editing labels, field instructions, and required settings. Make sure each field is easy to understand. Keep the wording simple and direct so users can complete the form without confusion. Then open the form settings to adjust notifications, integrations, and any automation workflows you want to enable. This is useful if you want submissions to trigger emails, connect with other tools, or support your onboarding process. Before sharing the form, preview it and test the full submission flow. Confirm that everything works correctly and that the form looks clean on the page. When you are satisfied, publish the form and share it using the direct link or by embedding it on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.